You don't jail put waves on the tracks. Back in that mode. Hey, bitch. Making money the motor. Getting green like clover. Bitch, shut the fuck up what I told her. At your door.
What it do, YouTube? It's your brother Jay, and I'm back today with, it's like, I ain't even gonna lie, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm bored. So we go decide we're gonna come down here and meet with this 700. So, as y'all know, last time I left off, I ain't even go to the, let me go turn back to it, like, I ain't even go to the store, get the extra sandpaper. I mean, I still got about 6 sheets left, so that can do a lot, but I ain't get what I needed. I ain't gonna get some more. So, last time I left off, I don't know how good y'all can see. So, we did this side here. Still got a little hand sanding to do in places over here. So now we're gonna come over to this side. Which shouldn't take me that long to do. Then as we get done with that side, we gonna have to take it off. Do up under there. Then we gonna come up here. It's just a lot of work there. And then we just posted today that we having, you feel me? Our brunt ride, March 23rd. Ride leave at 4. Now I put the flyer and stuff in here. This, you feel me? I don't know how I can do that. I probably just put a picture of it in here. But yeah, that's how we can do that. But this part 3 of me sanding this Joker back down from black to get ready to paint it. Y'all just to see. I don't know if I probably said it already in one of my old videos, but I need to put a new piece of paper on my sander. So we're gonna do that. Then we just gonna prop it all up and we're gonna get into this sanding. So let me get myself a little situation. Y'all propped up. And we'll come back to the camera with it. You know what I mean? Bye y'all. So yeah, we got this new paper on here. And we finna go to work on there right here. Make sure if y'all doing this at home, put some on your face. Oh, I gotta vent the garage. Hold on. Oh, go over here. So yeah, got the heat going on behind me, and we just gonna go to work.
Clover. Bitch, shut the fuck up what I told her. At your door with a mask. 31st October. Bows in this bitch, who the fuck pulling over? NBA shoes should've played for Villanova. Talk down on me, pull up Della. They talk down on me, I'm pulling up like Tater. Glock got potato, ain't mad at tomatoes. Put on the.
So YouTube, this is how far we done got. Tried doing a little wet sanding too, but wet sanding is real messy. So I'd rather do that afterwards. After I done got this whole most of everything off of him. And after I hand sand my areas, just go over it with like a light wet sand. Nothing too heavy on it. It's coming out pretty easy, huh? Probably need to change my paper side, then work my way up in these corners as best I can, like I did over there. But some of these corners, my hand gonna have to do the work. Just ain't gonna lie, I'm in low key sleepy, so it might be like a two-part of this video for whatever I do tomorrow. Well, basically later on today. But as of right now, it's probably like 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock on the dot, yep. And your boy getting sleepy, so I'll probably do this for another 30 minutes. I don't know. Do it probably about another 30 minutes, knock some more off him. Put a new paper on. Ain't gonna take my black ass to bed. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Why the back? Oh, just cause it's filmed. Why the back side of it look like that? Intrusive thoughts. But yeah, let me get back to work and see how much as I can get done. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This paper here so smooth, feel like a baby ass. But getting on now. Hey y'all, it's late on in the day, and boy, I went and bought some different sandpaper. It working better, but knowing me, I bought something else. I bought paint remover. I sprayed a little bit on him. I ain't know it was gonna work this good. This process gonna go by way faster. I can't lie. So hold on, let me flip the camera around. Yeah, that stuff, I barely had wiped it with a rag, and it came out like that. It only sat for about 5 minutes at the most. This is what I sanded down last night, but I sure just sprayed some of this all over here. Go mess around, spray the whole forward, and just sand it down, make sure everything's smooth. Cause it ate that paint out there quick, and I ain't even put no sandpaper on it. So I'm finna spray that down. One thing I can say about this stuff, it is strong. So I'm gonna come back to this about 5 minutes. Guarantee I probably wipe all this. Get that sander, the sanding machine, just go over. Yeah, be back in about 5-10 minutes.
That shit's strong too.
Oh my, it's strong. But this stuff coming right on off here. Look at this. Just a simple little rub. Now I'm finna see how I'm finna get that off there without using them. I'm gonna use that rag. That stuff's so strong. It sure eating that paint up though. Eating that paint all the way up. Gonna take the rag here and wipe it off and then rinse it off. So yeah.
Like a potato, ain't mad at tomato. Put on a cape, these hoes, you saving them. So she give me dome like a stadium. Pull up in spaceship, serving these aliens. Bitch call me ghost, can't tell her my alien. Back in and blow it, these niggas be.
Shoot, we getting somewhere. I go over with that sand machine, knock some of this, make it smooth out. Man, I'll be gone no time. Still a little rough over here. But this video ain't even too long, so I'm gonna put 2 videos basically together. Y'all gonna see me do this, then y'all gonna see me go over and start up with this right here. Kinda wanna put that spray on there now, but I'm gonna actually take that plastic out here. Like, instead of standing on the floor and spraying this stuff. I'll let y'all hear it. Hold on, let's see that how bad it goes.
It would have boy, man, that's all. It would have boy,
Let's see
man,
here.
that's all.
monster gonna sound good though. I don't know. The big gun sound pretty nice, but I want that other one. I want that monster. I'm saying I'm finna go do some other work.
Shit gonna come out?
Nope.
And y'all see me come back to this like this black and orange kind of hard, but that red gonna do it.
Metro need that. They know what they doing. Motherfucker.
Hey, what?
Ooh, alright y'all. This next day. Ooh, excuse me, next day. I done took the front fender off. It's over here. I've been using, I'm gonna have to buy me another bar of these. Cause I can't like this shit, yes. It done here working so wonderful, boy. But we finna spray some of this all over here. I might wanna put this on the ground, cause if it start eating that paint out this, I really don't care. It ain't got nothing to do with me. But go that dog strong. Yeah, I might go buy me another can of this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though, they orange hard, but I gotta go back to the, I gotta go with the red. Got to. I'm gonna spray the under. So we gonna sit here and let this sit probably about 15 minutes. Let it eat this up really good here. Then we'll just start sanding it some more. So I'm come back with y'all when we get this, all this black off here. YouTube, this what she look like. I might go buy me another can. I love it. I mean, I ain't wipe all of it. I did spray it too. This side here, good enough. Just still got a little black, so I think if I get another coat of that stuff on here, then she'll be alright. And we can just work on towards sanding it. So I'm gonna just see this. We can just see it like this. I don't know. Hold on. Wait. You know what? Sit across the floor just like that. But the bite orange, that's the original color of it. Sand this down some good. Make sure I got all this, you know what I'm saying? Good and smooth. Put some primer on there. And we going red. Well, some of it red. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I start saying this. I'm just gonna put all these parts in one video. Yeah.